Yo guys, so if I click on this monetization button, you can see at the top left corner that I've made 124 Ghana cedis. So if you want to make this kind of money, make sure you watch the video to the end. Don't skip any part of it, because if you skip any part of it, you might not be able to do what I'm about to teach you. So make sure you watch till the end so that you will also be able to make this kind of money. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive right into it. Alright guys, so what you're gonna need to do is that you're gonna head over to Google, then search for Opera News Hub. So what you're gonna need to do is that you're gonna create an account. So you click on the create account, then it will take you over to this page. You see where they have written become a creator. So you can create your account using either your Google account or your Facebook account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in, then I'll show you guys how to go about it. So you can see my account over here. So what this site does is that you're going to write news articles, any type of article, any interesting article that is good, that is trending in your region or your country. You're going to write articles about it, then you're going to post it. So if you post the articles and people click on it and read it, then you'll be able to generate money from it. So your goal is to find trending articles, then you write good articles. Make sure you write it good. Don't write anything that is not good. So you take your time, then you write good articles, then you post it. So if you post the articles, then you'll be able to generate money, just like the way I've generated money over here. Alright guys, so you can see that I've made about 124 Ghana cedis just by doing this thing. I spend just a few minutes a day, about 5 minutes or 10 minutes a day, just by doing this thing, and I make this kind of money. So it's actually legit. I mean, people are making 1,000 Ghana, 2,000, some are even making 5,000 Ghana cedis every single month just by writing articles, just by doing this thing. So if you are someone that likes writing articles or stories and you want to make money by utilizing that talent or skill, then I think this will be a perfect platform for you, because you just write articles, then you post it, people click on it and read it, then you make money from it. So if you're interested, then make sure you continue to watch the video. So after making your money, if you want to withdraw it, you have about two options. You can either withdraw it through a mobile money. For those of us who are in Ghana here, I think mobile money is the best option for us. Or if you don't want the mobile money option, you can also go with your bank account. There are several banks that are accepted over here. We have Agricultural Development Bank, we have EcoBank, Fidelity Bank, 5GCB Bank, Stanbic Bank, Zenith Bank, and GT Bank. So if you want to receive your payment through bank accounts, that's an option that you have. And if for those of us using mobile money too, you can also just enter your mobile money number over here. Then every single month, your monthly income will be sent into your mobile money account. You receive message that you have received your monthly income from Opera News Hub. So I'm going to teach you guys a trick about how you go about it. You see, you have to find trending topics that are trending, news articles that are trending. I mean, those are the type of topics that people are searching for, the type of topics that people want information about. So you have to create it and you post it. What you're gonna do is that you don't have to write any type of article that's not interesting. You want to find a type of article that's actually interesting so that you'll be able to make most money from it. So that's what you're gonna need to do. You can see some of my past articles over here. Some is having about 19,000 clicks, some is having 4,000 clicks. So that's what you're gonna need to do. You have to find interesting articles. So I'm going to show you guys how to go about writing your article. Yo guys, so if you want to write your article, you're gonna head over to the place that they have written create. So if you click on that place, it will bring you to this page. So the top here, you write the title of your article. Let's say the topic or the title of the article that you want to write about. So you write the article over here, then you come and write the body of the article, like the detailed article. You come and write it over here. So I'm going to show you guys some rules that you have to follow to avoid the article being rejected. So I'm going to show you some of the frequent mistake that people do so that you can avoid it. So you can see over here that how do Opera determine account quality. So you can see they say smooth writing without spelling and grammatical issues. So you have to make sure that your spelling are intact. Don't make grammatical errors, because the AI, or let's say the automatic system that automatically detects and see that okay, this article is, let's say, is good, or let's say bad. It's a robot. No human being is going to sit there and read your article. It's a robot that is doing this whole thing. So if the robot detects that there are a lot of errors in your article, the robot will determine, okay, this article is no good, so I'm definitely going to reject it. So you have to reduce your grammatical errors as much as possible so that your article will be approved and not be rejected. Because if your article is rejected, I mean, that's one of the most painful thing that a writer can encounter. You spend a lot of time writing, typing, then after it is being rejected, I mean, it's really painful. And I'm going to tell you, you're going to face a few of those kind of situations, so you have to be mentally prepared for it. I mean, don't take it too personal. I mean, it happens to all of us all the time. You can see some of my articles over here. Some of my articles were rejected, but hey, you don't give up, you just keep doing it. Just that you learn from your mistakes, then you improve on it. See, some of my articles were rejected, so you get used to it. There's that you have to make sure you minimize your errors so that your article will not be rejected, so that it will be approved, that you can start earning money from it. So the first thing that I talk about is reduce grammatical errors. Then they say junk content or confusing logic will be considered low quality. So content, make sure your article is of high quality. Don't write any type of article that's not quality. And also don't write articles that's about politics, murder, like things that are like violence. Don't write articles about those kind of things. Those articles normally get rejected because of the violent nature of those type of content. So we want to write article about nice things that are like interesting. Don't write violent things. Violent articles will normally be rejected, so you want to avoid those kind of articles. Yo guys, and you also want to avoid writing articles about content that involves nudes, like pornographic kind of articles. You want to avoid those kind of articles because those articles usually get rejected. You can see this my article over here, it was rejected because of the pornographic nature of it. So you have to avoid those kind of articles, those sexual related kind of articles that involves pornographic stuff. You have to avoid those kind of things because those articles usually get rejected. That's what I'm saying. And also be mindful of the kind of pictures that you use in your articles that involve nudes, like sexually related pictures and stuff. Those articles usually get rejected. You can see that this my article over here, it was about beautiful models show curvy body. Although the topic or the title is not that pornographic, but because of the pictures that was inside, you can see these ladies are exposing themselves, so it's like pornographic content. So those kind of articles usually get rejected. So avoid those kind of articles and always focus on interesting news articles, like nice things, those kind of articles. Avoid negative content, negative type of content, because you don't want to waste your time doing research, typing it, then posting it, then it will be rejected. I mean, that's really painful. You can also see that these articles over here about dead body. So it was rejected because of the nature of it. It's not that advertiser friendly because of the dead bodies involved in the article. So you have to avoid those kind of articles. So I guess you learn as you go about it. Just that if you get rejected, just don't give up. Just know that this thing is a game. You are not always going to win. You are not always going to win. You lose some. So if you lose or your article get rejected, you just sit back, relax, then you learn from your mistake, then you will improve upon it so that your next article will be published or approved, so that you can start earning money on it. So yeah, All right, guys, so another tip that I'm going to give to you guys is that make sure you follow content creators with more followers. I mean, people or writers that have a lot of followers. Make sure you follow them so that you know what's trending. I mean, those people, I mean, they are already in the game, so they know how this whole thing works. So you follow them, then you study how they write their articles, the kind of titles that they normally use. I mean, the type of thumbnail or the pictures that they use in the article, and the way or the format that they use to write the articles. I mean, you study them, then you learn from them. You just follow them just to learn from them, so that you can also become your own boss. And also, don't forget that anytime that you write an article, make sure you share it on your social media platform like WhatsApp, Facebook. After writing and then publishing it, you just share it to your friends so that you gain initial boost. I mean, that will propel your article so that it will trend. So that's something to keep in mind. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, so that you get notified anytime they upload any interesting videos like this. And also make sure you leave a comment down below about what you think about this whole trick. I mean, if you are interested in seeing more videos like this, like finance videos related like this, you let me know in the comment section below, or just share your idea, or let's say maybe you have a better way of making money online. Just leave a comment down below so that we can learn from it. So I guess that's pretty much it. Make sure, like I said, like, subscribe and share. Thanks. I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.